Manipur Lengaki Directorate of University and Higher Education gi Senthang Makhada Thoubal College na Sinduna Mathematical and Statistical Methods for Economic Analysis Haiba Hiramda Chayol ama Chathagadaba Faculty Development Program among Sidagi Hodokre. Thoubal College ki Conference Hall da Pangthokiba Faculty Development Program aduda Thoubal College ki Principal Professor M. Bina Devina Athoiba Mitunglen College asigi Geography Department ki Head Oiriba IQAC ki Coordinator Professor K.H. Jugindro Singh na Thauram Mapu amadi Manipur University ki School of Social Sciences ki Dean Oiramba IQAC ki former Director Professor E. Bijoy Kumar Singh na Akhanaba Mithunglen Singh oina sarugyaki. Athoiba Mithunglen gi warolda Professor M. Bina Devi na hai Ngasidagi Hoduna Chayol ama Chathagadaba Faculty Development Program asida Sarug Yariba Oja Singh na Mahairoi Singh Loinaba amadi Guide Taubada Asuki Matik Kanaba Pigani Haibagi Thazabalay Haiki. Panbayai Faculty Development Program asida Government amadi Government Aided College Kungi Oza Kuntra Romna Sarug Yari.
The need for re-energizing and reactivating the college teachers in their respective fields is a must, so as to motivate them for maximum utilization as per the requirements of the NEP 2020. I am sure that this program will enable the participants to develop competence in general as well as management pedagogy. By participating, you will equip yourself with the knowledge and tools necessary to drive educational excellence and empower students for success in the rapidly evolving world.